Welcome. In this video I will show you how to block websites in Google Chrome browser on an Android device. So since we can't directly block our website using our browser, let's use a third party application. In our case, it will be StayFocused app. So first, open the Play Store, search for StayFocused app, install once you find it, and once you install the app, open it, accept the privacy policy, grant the permission, ignore this window. Now scroll down until you see the Block Sites tab. Here you'll see the list of the most frequently used applications. You can select any that you want, or you can find a specific website right here. For me, I will be blocking, for example, Pinterest. So just tap on the lock icon right here. Then I grant another permission. Select Stay Focused. Toggle allow. Now tap on the lock icon again. If you want to block this website completely, then select specific time intervals, select every day, and toggle intervals to full day. You can also block notifications by toggling this toggle bar, but if you don't want to, you can just block the site widgets. Each time you will be entering the website, you'll see this motivational text, but we can change it to something more plain. For example, access blocked, and tap done. Then select save. And once you're done, let's return to Google Chrome browser, search for the Pinterest website, open it, and as you can see, we can't access this website. Let's try Instagram, for example. Well, as you can see, Instagram is available, but if we return to the application, then go to the block sites, and then lock the Instagram website the same way. As you can see, we can no longer use this website. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.